welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another PlayStation 5 tutorial. And today we're going to show you how to pair the media remote with your PS5. So first things first, let's head into the settings. Then let's come all the way down to accessories. Then in accessories, let's come down to media remote. Then let's go into that, and then let's select set up media remote. You can read these on-screen instructions, so you can pause the video if you want to read them. Then you want to press next. Start searching for your media remote. Now we need to press down the PlayStation button and the option button. And it will tell you your media remote has been successfully paired. So we can press next. If you ever get any errors like that, you can come back into it and start checking your TV. However, my TV for some reason won't pair up, so I can't control my TV with it. I think it's because I've already got a smart remote connected to my TV. However, I have used it on other TVs and it's worked perfectly fine. Just to prove that the media remote does work, you can see you can use it, it does work, it just doesn't work with the telly at the moment. So that's how to pair a media remote on your PS5. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.